As you download apps on your Android tablet, they'll eventually get spread across multiple pages in your app drawer. You can move apps one by one, but if you have a lot of apps installed on your tablet, it's usually not the best way to organize your app drawer. To quickly clean up your app drawer, tap these three dots on the bottom search bar. You can either change the sorting to an alphabetical order, which gets rid of separated pages and puts everything into one list of apps, organized alphabetically. This is a good way to organize everything into one single page that scrolls up and down, but the downside is that you're forced to alphabetical order and can't organize apps based on which ones you use the most. If you prefer a custom order where you can manually control where each app is located, use the Clean Up Pages feature. This clears up any empty space you have between your apps, and it fills the pages of your app drawer. You still have full manual control, so you can tap, hold, and drag apps to reorganize them however you'd like. Tap that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.